guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on the As I Am brand. I've been using As I Am for years. I remember my first YouTube video, which was about 2 years ago, just over 2 years ago. That video, I actually have the As I Am styler in my hair, and I started using As I Am even before that. By the time I got the courage to start my YouTube video, that was the styler I had in my hair. So today I'm just going to be giving you my brief thoughts on the As I Am brand. I'm going to start off by saying, guys, stop sleeping on the As I Am brand. This video is not sponsored. You guys know I just share my thoughts. And in my intro, I mentioned that, I've been using As I Am for about 3 to 4 years. And because I try out so many products, I kind of forget the gems that I find along the way. Now, I do have videos using some of the other products, especially from this line here, the brown packaging, which is the coconut line. I've also used the pomegranate line. But for my type of hair, this is really a gem. Today, I'm just going to be talking to you about their cleansing pudding, their deep or intensive conditioner, and I'm also going to be talking about the leave-in as well. I'm not going to be talking about the stylers because I do have older videos where I've used the stylers and I've spoken about them. Now, the styler, I'm quickly going to say, is one of my absolute favorites, and I kind of forgot about it. It's amazing for my hair. It gives whole definition, it gives me day 5 to 7 hair. Amazing stylist from the As I Am brand. But for today, I'm going to just talk about their cleansing pudding. This is a sulfate-free moisturizing cleanser. It contains aloe vera, castor oil, tangerine, as well as vegetable glycerin. This is an amazing cleanser. I'm a shampoo kind of girl, but this was really nice. It was just so moisturizing. If you need to wash your hair during the week, grab this cleansing pudding. It just helps start your wash day process by leaving your hair soft before you can start deep conditioning or even detangling. This is something I really like. Next is the leave-in conditioner. Can we please have this in a bit of a bigger size? Love, love, love this leave-in conditioner. It contains coconut extracts and sugar beetroot. There's some green tea in here, amla, lemon, apple, sugarcane. So much good stuff inside this leave-in conditioner. It glides on your hair. Now remember, guys, I'm just sharing my personal experience using this brand. I have nothing negative to say about this range from As I Am. I'm not overly hyping it, but I try so much of stuff that when I said to myself, you know what, let me go back to something I really like and let me do a wash day routine for a few weeks. And I was like, oh my god, how could I have forgotten? This is a really nice leave-in conditioner, a bit small, especially for the price point, but it does a really good job of leaving your hair moisturized, and it just does a good job. The last product I'm going to talk about is the intensive conditioner. Amazing. To have this on the shelves in South Africa, guys, don't sleep on this. I know the price point is under 300 Rand. Many of us walk past this brand in the hair care aisle and be like, this is too expensive, I'm gonna grab something else. But this line from As I Am, especially for my type of hair, for me, I feel it's like a little bit of an investment. I know I might be exaggerating a little bit, but this is such a good leave-in conditioner, and we need this in the size of the co-wash, that big tub. This melted into my hair. My hair was manageable, detangling, my fingers were gliding through my hair, rinsed off, my hair was like butter, and I was like, how could I forget? Like, this would be something that I would use like basically every single week, or at least 2 to 3 times, a month, not a week, a month. I would deep condition with this at least 2 to 3 times a month. This is amazing. It contains coconut, sugarcane, green tea, apple, lemon, some vitamin E. Now, if your hair is sensitive to coconut, I'm sorry, I don't know if you're gonna like this. Probably not, since your hair doesn't like coconut. But if your hair doesn't have a problem with coconut, this As I Am range, please, guys in South Africa, let's not sleep on a product that really does deliver amazing results. Again, I'm aware of the price point. I do think it's value for money. I'm gonna put the prices down below. I can't remember offhand. I think it's in the 200 range or 199 range, but it really is worth it. This can be bigger. I think all the products can be bigger, but I think if you want to spoil yourself, if you want to buy products that you know are going to deliver, this range is definitely going to deliver. And I'm going to stop right there, guys. I have been enjoying this range so much that I thought I had to come on camera and just remind everyone what a good range this is. As I said, the video is not sponsored at all. I'm always just sharing my experiences with you guys. Managing products can be an absolute nightmare, I know, so that's why I come on camera to just share my thoughts. Drop your comments down below. As I said earlier, I have tried their pomegranate line. I haven't seen it on the shelves in South Africa, but I do have some videos using it as well. This is my preference in terms of their coconut or pomegranate. As I said, drop your comments down below and I'll see you again. Take care.